Hi everyone, I am Dr. T. Srinivasulu, Assistant Professor of Mathematics. Today we will learn about equations solvable for y. If the given differential equation f of x comma y comma p equals 0 is solvable for y, then it can be written as y equal f of x comma p. That is equation number 1. Differentiate with respect x. The equation 1 gives, what is the derivative of y with respect x? dy by dx equal p. The right side term derivative with respect x is pi of x comma p comma dp by dx. That equation makes 2. The solution of the second equation is psi of x comma p comma c equal 0. Say the solution of the second equation is psi of x comma p comma c equal 0. That is equation number 3. If possible, eliminate the p by using the equation 1 and 3. We get a relation among x, y and c. That is our required solution. If it is not possible to eliminate the p from 1 and 3, our required solution is 1 and 3. That means the equation 1 and 3 constitute our required solution of the given equation. Now, problems. Solve y plus px equal to x power 4 p square. This is the given differential equation. Given differential equation is y plus px equal x power 4 p square. That is equation number 1. Now y equal minus px plus x power 4 p square. It is the form of y equal f of x comma p, which is the form of y equal function of f of x comma p. Okay, so differentiate with respect x. Differentiate with respect x. We know that derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx minus here px, this is uv rule, p derivative dp by dx into x plus p into x derivative 1 plus x power 4 derivative 4x cube p square plus x power 4 into p square derivative 2p into dp by dx. We know that dy by dx equal to how much? P minus x into dp by dx minus p plus 4x cube p square plus 2x power 4p into dp by dx. So minus of minus p plus p. So 2p, this term also move to left side, minus 4x cube p square equal to 2x power 4 p, this term minus x into dp by dx. Now here common p outside, okay, p outside, 2p, no problem, 2p outside, 1 minus 2x cube p. Here minus x is outside, 2x cube p minus also plus 1 into dp by dx. 2p 1 minus 2x cube 1 minus 2x cube p equal to minus x outside, here also 1 minus 2x cube p into dp by dx. This can be written as 1 minus 2x cube p outside, move చేయండి, 2p plus x into dp by dx equal to 0. Now 1 minus 2x cube p equal to 0, and the second one 2p plus x into dp by dx equal to 0. So take second one, therefore 2x cube p equal to 1. By using this relation we get the singular solution, but we want the general solution. So 2p plus x into dp by dx equal to 0. So this can be written as 2 into dx by x plus dp by p equal to 0, because cross multiplication, dp by p dx by x. Integrate both sides. Integral of 2 dx by x plus integral of dp by p equal to, say, log c. 2 into integral of log 1 by x dx log x, 1 by p integration log p equal to log c. Now this can be written as log of p x square, because 2 log x can be written as log of x square. Log of x square plus log of p, log a plus log b, log of ab, log of p x square equal to log c. Therefore p x square equal to c, or p equal to c by x square. This is equation number 2. Eliminate from 1 into p. Eliminate p from 1 into, we get the required solution. So eliminate p from 1 into equations. So what is the first equation? Y plus px. Y plus, what is the p value? C by x square. Just y plus px, p into c by x square into x equal to x power 4 p square, x power 4 p square, c square by x power 4, that is y plus c by x equal to c square. Therefore xy plus c equal to c square x, which is the required solution, which is the required solution of the given differential equation. Which is the required solution of the given differential equation. Now y equal sin p, solve y equal sin p minus p cos p. So given differential equation is y equal to sin p minus p cos p. So this is equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. with respect x. So dy by dx equal to sin p derivative cos p minus uv rule p derivative dp by dx, here also dp by dx, okay, plus into cos p plus p into cos p derivative minus sin p into dp by dx. But we know that dy by dx equal to how much? P cos p dp by dx minus cos p dp by dx minus of minus plus p sin p dp by dx. These two terms will be cancelled. P equal to p sin p dp by dx. pp will be cancelled. Sin p dp equal to dx. Now integrate both sides. Integral of sin p dp, integral of dx plus c. Integration of sin p minus cos p equal to x plus c. Integration of dx x plus c. Now therefore x plus cos p plus c equal to 0, or ఇక్కడ ఇలా కూడా రాయొచ్చు, or cos p equal to minus x minus c, p equal to cos inverse of minus of x plus c. But we know that cos inverse of minus x, cos of x, p equal to cos inverse of x plus c. So this is the solution. Now this is equation number, take it this one, 2. Eliminate from 1 and 2. Eliminate p from 1 and 2. What is the one equation? Once again, y equal to sin p minus p cos p. So y equal to sin p. Sin p can be written as 1 minus cos square p. Cos square, what is the cos value? X plus c. Cos square p minus p. What is the p? P equal to cos inverse of x plus c into cos p అంటే minus of x plus c. Therefore y equal to under root of 1 minus x square minus c square minus 2xc plus cos inverse of x plus c into x plus c. So this is the required solution of the given differential equation.